The shed is used for keeping 2 solar cooking devices. It's so fine today. The solar cooker is also demonstrated to cook. One section is missed out, but it's just a tiny area of the reflector. Yeah, the arm has a sight. Both arms has a sight to aim the sun in the height, for a height, and we can rotate the reflector for the horizontal angle. Now the glass pane for a lid, that's heat resistant glass. Even for a pot, it's covered with heat resistant glass, like that. The pot outside is painted in black. It's really using the greenhouse effect. The pot bottom is in the focus of the parabola reflector. Then it's covered with a lid, glass lid. Now the bottom is focused, as you see, quite shiny. Let me explain about the side. The bamboo stick shows the angle of the line. Then both arms have the chains, so chain lengths can be adjusted to aim at the sun by the reflector. Other side should be adjusted as well. Now horizontal angle is adjusted too. 1 hour later, now the water is bubbling, boiled. Still, it's not well designed. I have to use a tongue, although the water is boiling. Now the sun is covered with a cloud. I explained about the details of assembling the parabola reflector. Now we make a pattern like this, and y is equal to ax square. This equation shows a parabolic curve having the focus at 50 centimeters off the center of the parabola, and the vertical membranes and the horizontal membranes. To assemble them, vertical ones would have one-sided cut, half cut. Now, other horizontal ones, they would have a cut from the bottom. So if they are set together, the surface, you will find the parabolic curved surface. Now we have to glue reflector, but we have to cut it for each section because it is different each other, and because of we use the light membrane, the space for glue the reflecting sheet is not that wide enough. So Azumi Hero, we used to call him. He put this cardboard on the membrane, so he got wider area to be glued. A bit patient work, quite a number of sections to be glued. So let me repeat it. Then aiming the sun with the side of the arms and horizontal angles, you can rotate the system. And this again, I have to say, the glass which is covering the pot must be heat resistant, and the air gap in between is around 4 centimeters. The reflected light focusing to the bottom of the pot can be go through the glass, but at the bottom surface it's changed into heat. Then it doesn't come out through the glass pane and glass cover. And now a risotto is being cooked. We cooked already tempura, croquette, and so on, but few improvements are necessary too here for the solar cooker. Now this is the very bad choice of material. If the focus thing was missed, then the wood started to burn. But it shows the temperature is so high, but we have to change it. And if we change the width of the burnt membrane of wood, then we get more heat.